Okay, with the skull all epoxied up, it is now time to begin painting. We're going to go with a red and gold we'll see how that looks.
Okay. Don't keep us in suspense, Craig. Turn it towards the camera and show us. Oh, that's beautiful.
So we're going to go red here, gold here, red, red. It'll look nice. And I'm using Santa Red mixed in with a cranberry wine. What a lovely color red it will be. Okay, that's good.